Pasang ganyan na agad siya.
Laughs and vibes in every blink. It all goes down on sip and sink.
Hey everyone, and
Hello.
welcome back to our Sip and Sync podcast. So today, this episode is very special to us.
Mother's Day!
Yay!
Yeah, we're gonna talk about our moms.
Papa namin ng mga ina nyo. Mga ina namin.
Mga tanging
Mga
ina.
tanging ina.
Before we begin our podcast, ano mo nang drinks nyo guys?
I have matcha latte! Matcha!
Woo!
So,
Sagot.
on my way home from work, I told myself, okay, I'm just gonna buy a drink. So, I got matcha. Mag-coffee sana
Yes.
ako, pero baka hindi na ako makatulog. So, matcha.
I mean, I'm
Wala pa,
having the
ano?
same drink as the last episode.
Episode.
Yeah, I
Milk
still
din.
still fresh
Ako,
milk kasi.
ako naman is
Same pa rin.
almond milk.
Ah, wow.
Nag-upgrade.
Nag-upgrade.
Mabait
Tapos,
nyo Puro
tapos
milk
bukas,
kayo
mga
Parang
babies.
ako pala ang nag-alak dito so far
Kasi ano ba kasi naman yung recording natin, schedule natin morning. Di ba?
Oo nga. Day drinking. Bakit ba?
Sino na bang mama sa inyo? May mama na
Nagdadalang
ba
kain
dito?
lang po.
So, magiging emotional siguro ito na episode or hindi. Depende.
First of all, sino ba ang nanay niyo?
Introduce
May
your
nanay
mom
ba kayo?
first. Tell me something about your mom.
If you insist. Wow. Napilitan. So my mom, she's retired now. But before, she was working as a dentist in government hospital. Pinaka first job niya, and then she stayed there, for the rest of her career and then retired. So, 'di ba? Grabe makontento. But my mom, I would describe her as she's funny. I think yung humor niya, although parang pag sa amin siya nagjo-joke, corny naman ang babaeng to. Pero bentang-benta siya sa mga friends niya. And I don't know, like, do you guys consider me funny? Wow, napaka-pick me girl naman. Pero feeling ko kasi, may nagsasabi kasi, oh, you have your mom's humor, ganun. Pero sabi ko, so corny pala ako. Yung mom ko, growing up, she was very strict. Like, yung tipong never ko na-experience makapag-sleep over. Or, uy, pwede pupunta kami sa bahay ng ng friends kasi gagawa ng project, ganun. Tapos yung paggaling sa school, papunta kami sa bahay ng classmate ko. Yung tipong andun na siya para sunduin ako. Sabi ko, di pa kami nagsa-start. ang nangyari, nagbabayad na lang ako. Okay guys, ito na yung payment ko for the project. Pero wala ako participation. Feeling niya, nawalwal ako every after school. Pero yun lang naman. I would describe her as the kindest person I know. Growing up, I know, aside from me and my sister, meron din siyang mga ibang taong pinag-aral all throughout college. Ayun na. I'm very amazed. Growing up, hindi kami mayaman pero ang isang flex ko talaga ever since, on time kami lagi magbayad ng tuition. Like, never ako nag-worry na, hala, makaka-exam kaya ako. Parang my mom made sure na hindi yon magiging worry for us. Kasi, naging worry niya yon as a kid. I would describe her as the most generous person I know, the kindest, stricta, pero okay lang, sige na lang. Wala tayong magagawa. Yun ang nanay mo eh. Parang pinapabayaan niya na ako. Parang nakalimutan na yata ako. Wala hindi na nag-chat-chat eh. But yeah.
Actually, di ba like mga typical Filipino moms na stricta, tapos praning. Tapos, meron din silang konting humor but corny, di ba? Yung parang higher millennial na kakornihan. Pero yeah, like ang mom ko, she is also in the healthcare field like your mom. So pharmacist siya. Nag-immerse siya sa business din. So I think later as I went on with my life, na-realize ko na I'm slowly starting to pattern my life sa kanyang life. And 'di ba, hindi siya easy, hindi rin siya masaya, pero at least nakikita ko yung ini-impose na sa akin before. First job ko. If siya magsundo, the first thing she says is, pag nato ka na ng 7K every kinsena, resign ka na, uy. Ako, hala, ikaw ba yung nagbayad? Ano? So yeah, doon ko lang nakita na, okay, this is what she meant sa kanyang mga inkansyaw sa akin every sundo. Pero, growing up din, nalaman ko lang recently, nung nag-reunion sila, siya volleyball player po din siya. Kasi diba ngayon, she's chubby. So sabi ko, sikat eh, kasi una. Funny kasi, nung pagkwento niya nung kanyang board exam time din before, ang mama ko, sige siya glaag, hindi ko siya ga-study. So, ang ginagawa niya, yung best friend niya kasi, as in smart. So, after ng klase, kita sa dorm, maghingi lang siya ng notes. Is, living smartly as a student.
Study
Academics and life balance.
Balance, yeah.
Oh. So, doon ko na-realize na,
Cool.
pala ang life mo, tapos ngayon parang ina-impose mo na stricta ka masyado nung nag-aaral ako. Yun pala, kasi sabi niya, I don't want
Oh
you
my
to
gosh.
be like me.
Oo.
Na parang walang care.
Same pala
Ayun.
sila. No, mama ko din, stricta din siya, pero nalaman ko sa sa mga tita ko na, ay, grabe na, mag-disco sa unay mong mami.
Oo.
Mo di.
My ina is the ina of all. So my mom, she married at an early age, like mga 15.
What?
Okay.
Really?
Minor pa.
Joke lang, gaga.
Grabe.
At the age of at the age of 22.
Sana all sure na agad.
I know, right?
Pero yeah, she married at that age. She is a selfless mom kasi she gave up her career kasi akong papa, he's a seaman, so he works abroad. One of them needed to sacrifice their career. So basically, ever since, she never had the chance to work. Although she did apply before, right after she graduated college, pero yeah, both of them, they got married. They decided na my mom will stay at home. So
How
yun,
old was your dad?
my dad was 30 something, 31 at that time. Describe my mom na growing up, my mom has always been present in every stage siya mong life. Kasi since nakafocus siya sa amin, so like hatid sundo kami sa school, mga errands namin, kasama namin siya. My mom was also strict growing up. So you guys said, hindi ako pwede
Even college.
even college. Nako,
Even
my gosh.
after college. Aminin
Girl,
mo.
same.
Guys, grabe, at the age of 26, saka pa ako nakatry magsamal with friends, mag-beach with friends. Promise, 26 years old. Yun, at some point, hindi ko siya na-gets talaga. Like, my friends had like a parang carefree na life growing up. Parang
Yeah.
their parents really trusted them ba na, okay, sige, go out with your friends, overnight with your friends. I trust you, ganyan. But when it comes to me and to my sister, she was so strict. I have no intentions of doing something bad, but I just want to spend time with
Diba?
friends, ganyan. I couldn't understand it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
I couldn't understand it at that time. Why were you so parang judgy pag mag-ingon ko nga,
Parang walang
pwede
tiwala.
ka, yes, walang tiwala sa akin. At that time, I wasn't giving you any reason to doubt sa
Yes.
akin, diba, na I'm doing good, no, not best sa ako ang school. But over time, like right now, I realized, help me become the person I am right now. I've become responsible with my actions, with my decisions in life. Kasi, although, sabihan ako ng ibang friends ko na, uy, kasi yung mama, I have come to a point na I know my limitations. And I've grown to respect my parents. I'm not doing bad things because they are bad, but I'm not doing them because I respect my parents. And I know na if gawin ko yun, I will hurt them. Yun.
Tinuod na siya. That's very true. No, because I was actually surprised when my mom said yes na mag-school ako sa Davao for college. First of all, my sister is adopted. My mom adopted her, I think at the day she was born. From that alone, I could really say na, oy, grabe ka selfless ng mom ko and everything. And she was so strict sa amin both ng ate ko. But my sister was very school, bahay. When I was in high school, I was in a special section.
Yes.
So like yung may extra class and everything. We're always going home late. 5:30 pa natatapos yung class namin. So, yung mom ko at that time, parang, ano ba yan? Bakit may mga ganyan? So, I was surprised na she let me go to Davao for college. And then, at that time, monitored pa rin kami. Like, may number siya ng landlady namin.
Landlady.
Ng mga, kasi yung sister ko din nasa Davao din siya at that time. Pag ako, nung college, di ba, madami din akong extracurricular activities sa slate na umuwi. So, inaano ko na yung landlady namin na, uy, pag nag-text yung mami ko, sabihin mo natutulog na ako, ganun. Sasabihin mo na, kanina pa ako nakauwi. Nung nakagraduate na lahat-lahat, doon ko na-realize na parang medyo, yung parang nagle-let go na yung mom ko.
Yes.
To the point na 1 a.m. na, tapos
Mhm.
ako pa yung naghahanap, bakit di pa niya ako
Oo,
tinitext?
di ba?
Bakit? Tapos parang kinakabahan ka, tapos nakauwi ka ng late na, tulog na siya. Parang ang peaceful ng sleep niya. Doon ko na-realize din, same sa'yo, Jai, yung training pala na yun, na parang, saan ka na? Nandito ka na dapat kasi gabi na, ganito, ganyan. Nagiging responsible ka in a way. Parang at the back of your mind, oh my God, mapapagalitan ako. Yun yung napansin ko sa mom ko nung, okay naman pala. Parang the entire time when I was still in school, baka yun lang yung pinoprotect niya. Dapat makagraduate ka muna and mag-work ka muna. You can do whatever you want. And true enough, I was able to
Agree.
do whatever I want. Tingnan mo, ang layo-layo na. Layo-layo ko na.
Oo. Hindi ka na ma-monitor.
Hindi na ako napigilan.
Hindi na. At first, hindi mo siya magets, no? Pero,
Yeah, like parang ako,
ngayon,
bakit yung mga friends ko okay lang ganito, ganyan,
yeah,
hindi ako makapag-enjoy, grabe ka. Yun pala yun. Meron
yun na
naman pala
yun.
silang
Oo.
reason talaga. It came out of love.
What is your favorite thing to do with your mom? I miss doing errands with my mom. Kasi before, especially pag summer, kasi di ba, syempre si mama, ang kanyang job talaga before is yung pag may allotment na, kasi magbayad kami ng mga bills, bayad kami ng mga loans, punta kami ng mga banks talaga. So, I was there. I remember it all too well. Yung mag-hop kami ng one bank to another bank. Minsan, hanggang sa, I think, nag-high school ako. Tapos ako na yung ginapa-start ni mama na magpasok sa bank. Ginaturuan niya na ako na magpunta dun sa counter. Those things kasi na ngayon mamiss ko na siya gawin kasi like although may mga day off ako, pero hindi ko siya magawa with her. Siyempre itulog na lang namin ganyan. Yung day off ko, ganyan good. So like, yeah, I miss those days na mag-do ako errands with my mom. Spend time kami with each other, kami ng ate ko, tapos mag-away kami sa car.
O, diba?
Tapos pag-uwi kayo, magkulong na lang sa kwarto. Ganun na lang kasi nag-away na.
Ilad ko din, same sa'yo, Kyra. Seaman din siya. Pero my mom still, she opted to work pa rin. Hatid sundo kami ng mom ko, pero like, nagkikita na lang kami sa bahay. Tapos pagdating sa bahay, tulog na. Weekends talaga, ito na. Pagmata naman ng mga, kita ng mga anak ko, mga dato.
Mga
Diba?
anak kong dato.
Mga anak kong dato. Ang memory ko nung basta weekend, gising kami ng maaga, tapos sabay-sabay kami maglalaba lahat. Tapos dapat yung sound, alam niyo yung sound na parang
Ah,
ganun
yes.
talaga. Tapos sabi niya, hindi, mali ang ginagawa mo. Wala pa ganin ang gabula, wala gabula yung mong nilabahan. Bugaw mga anak. When I found out that I was gonna do my interview soon, I quit my job. So, ano na lang ako, tambay sa bahay. My mom, I think she had like a month before she was gonna retire. I told her like, I need to learn how to drive. Kay mag-alis na ako ba? Ako nag-drive sa kanya papunta sa work. Then ginasundo ko din siya. Parang reverse roles. Ako na yung naghatid sundo sa kanya. Siguro yun yung isa sa mga favorite moments ko with her that I miss. Mga conversation sa car. Hindi ko na maalala
Yes.
ng mga kasi ang dami niyang stories. Yun yung isa sa mga favorite ko. At the same time, I was also driving her around. Same with you, Kyra, na yung sa errands, I realized that I enjoyed doing it. Meron pa ako mga stories sa Instagram na parang nasa car lang, nag-wait lang ako na, tagal naman ng nanay ko. I really miss that kasi pagdating mo dito, ang ibang-iba na, so parang through na lang kami nagko-communicate ngayon, video call, chat, pero iba pa rin kasi yung feeling na, syempre, yung kasama mo, yung mami ko, very active siya sa social media, sa Facebook,
Mm.
at saka sa YouTube. So, talaga yan, tulfo. Sabi ko talaga. So, pag naririnig ko na yan, tapos, alam mo yung comfort lang na kahit hindi mo siya nakikita, pero naririnig mo, ay, okay, andyan lang siya sa kwarto. Yung parang, okay, like, I
Yeah.
feel at ease. Di ba, meron tayong mga moments na gano'n. Naalala niyo yung, yung mga moments before, like, tanungin niyo yung kapatid niyo, like, saan si mama? Saan si mami?
Yeah.
Ganito. Di ba? Like, wala lang. Kasi kahit wala kang kailangan, parang gusto mo lang malaman, saan si
Mhm.
mami? Ganito. Parang,
Sense of familiarity, no?
Oo.
oo. Yung parang wala lang.
Ganyan.
Parang, okay, I feel secured. My mom is here. Okay, pero
Yes.
wala akong kailangan.
Oo.
But yeah, yun yung mga favorite moments ko. I miss my mom.
Aw. Sa
Iyak
akin
agad.
naman is ako, in growing up, hindi kami ganyan ka-close ng mom ko kasi sige kami away. I mean, close kami kasi sige mag-away. Ganun ba? Kasi, alam mo yung ano, like, I see so much of myself in my mom na sometimes
Yeah.
parang yung mga triggers ko, na-trigger din niya. So kami kaya parang, unsa man, mag-triggeranay ng tani. Ano ba?
Mm-mm.
Like, growing up, sige kami afternoon tea time sa bahay before with cookies. So magchika-chika lang talaga kami, especially yung mga summer
Siya, tea
afternoons.
time.
Pero sa kainan lang, good.
Kami Coke
Tapos,
lang amin eh.
Hindi.
Tapos pan,
Royal.
Royal.
Yung mommy din kasi ni mommy, ganun din. So, ang kanilang trip before, nagipasa din niya sa amin na parang habit before, malit pa kami, is mag-tea time sa afternoon. Yun ang na-miss ko. Kasi ngayon, di ba, wala ng time and everything, everyone's busy. And I'm thankful for the busyness din. Kasi if hindi rin busy ang parents ko, baka mag-deteriorate, di ba? Another thing na na-miss ko is, nung bata pa, is whenever they go out and do marketing sa business, and then always gonna repeat ng papa ko na, alala mo noon te na ano na tayo lang sa car ni mami. Kasi i-ask ako ng lola ko na, o saan kayo punta? Kasi magsabi lang ako, mag-marketing kami. Ganun ba? So, even
So,
now,
early ka na-expose sa, ano, sa business.
but wala pa ko'y boat or kalibutan ato.
Wala pa kayo sweldo.
Oh. Tsaka, di ba, even
Free
until the present day, yung adults na tayo,
Oo.
mga instances na kami lang po din tulo sa car, sige, bring up to Papa na, Luisan, on the first day sa atin na nag-market na si Bella lang ang nasa likod. Di ba kayo, pag hindi kayo payagan, okay lang sa inyo. Ako, pag hindi ako payagan, mangwenta ko na. Sila
Mag-tantrums.
manggani, pwede. Ang kapatid ko pwede. Ako hindi pwede mag-overnight. Kaya
Yeah,
imagine
yeah.
Grabe
ha,
talaga
di
yun, ano.
ba, ako eldest, si Dana youngest. Payagan na mag-over. Ako like, hala, ako pag college, pasugtan ka ni high school, sugtan ninyo.
Ganyan kasi 'di ba yan pag panganay super strict. Tapos
Oh,
mag-loosen up na yan sila pagdating sa
Ang middle
bunso.
child.
yes.
Yung ano, di ba, pag strict ang parents mo, yung parang dapat 5 business days pa lang, may ano ka na, may proposal
Paalam.
ka na, paano ka
True.
Minsan,
Correct.
dadamay mo pa yung friends mo. Like, dapat ikaw mag-ask. I was trying to gain the courage ba na magpaalam sa isang, parang maligo yata ng dagat. Yung mom ko nasa dining tables, kumakain. Tapos, kasi mami, ang tawag ko sa kanya, May. Sabi ko, May. Tapos, ang ganyan na agad siya. Sabi ko na lang. Pag ganun, sabi ko,
Horror.
hello.
Sige, May, ayaw na lang.
Ay na lang di ay. Puyo na lang ko. Asa ang silhig? Malilhig ko.
Walang pasok ko, May.
Grabe nga itong mga mama, no?
Because we are their lives. I think it
Yeah.
really
Oh, yes.
changes when you're a mom na, no?
Hindi din nakatulong yung ate ko. Sabi ko, kumala ka din naman para dalawa tayo.
Uy, actually, bitaw. Atong mga
Visit
ate
like,
kayo
kailangan
na.
good para duha ta kasabaan.
Oh, na, ikaw na ang good daughter. Oh.
Na, ang galing mo. What are your favorite lines from your mom?
Maana gid ko. Hulo, maana gid ko ba? Maria
Oh.
Isabella Teruel. Akong full name. Unsa na po?
Ako mama kay ano, for example, sakit akong tiyan. Tapos, mauna, kay sigig cellphone, wala na mo yung simba-simba. Mauna na. Nalayo na mo sa Ginoo, wala mo gasimba, mauna, magkasakit na mo.
Jaira Laika. Jaira Laika. Kasi ang tawag kasi niya sa akin is pag nagalambing kay lang.
Ah,
Pag galit siya, Jaira Laika. Siyempre ako makamatagid ko as a
Oo, diba?
sleepyhead.
Never did ko gitawag sa akong mama sa real
Full
name
name?
ako. Like Lisette, no,
Really?
never. It's either Ding. Ang nickname ko sa bahay, Sandy eh. So, yun lang ang ano niya.
Oo nga,
Hindi,
no,
Bakit Sandy? By the way, bakit
nga ba yung
Sandy?
Sandy?
I don't know. Kasi yung sister ko din, ang full name niya, Jonah Ella. Tapos ang nickname niya, Sunshine.
Hala,
Tapos ako, Lisette.
mukha kasi daw san.
Bakit ako yung naging buhangin? Naglalaro kami ng ate ko, tapos tinulak niya ako, tapos as in like sa gravel, tapos ang laki ng sugat ko dito. Tapos ang grabe yung iyak ko. Tapos pinalo kaming dalawa. Ay, kasali ako.
Ikaw na yung nasaktan, ikaw
Hindi
pa
pa
yung
ba enough
pinalo.
punishment to? May palo pa rin, para pantay daw. Ay, edi wow.
What do you guys admire about your moms?
Oh my gosh. Everything. the fact that she's so selfless. So, when I transitioned here in Arizona, this unfortunate thing happened to me. 2 months ako walang work, and bills, they don't stop. They keep coming. So,
They
I had
don't
to use,
care if
yeah,
you're
so I had to
struggling.
use up all my savings. So, yung savings ko since nasa New York ako hanggang Texas. So, nagamit yun lahat. Rent here, I also had to pay for like rent in Texas. And
Mm.
then my car, lahat-lahat na. When I had to move to where I'm at right now, I had to ask my mom for money. Imagine me being here abroad, tapos I have to ask money from my mom who's in the Philippines for
Mm-mm.
somebody who's already retired. So,
Yeah.
doon ako na-amaze. Grabe ka selfless. Grabe ka unconditional ng love na parang hindi na nga siya nag-a-ask like, 'di ba sa atin naman sa culture natin like, oh, ikaw abroad dapat nagpapadala ka sa parents mo. Ganun. Never once ako hininga ng mami ko or ng dad ko. Minsan pag nagpapadala pa ako, pinapagalitan pa ako. Bakit ka nagpapadala?
Mm.
Mas
Uy,
kailangan mo
sana
ng
all.
pera. Sabi ko, true.
Really, that's nice.
On that part, I'm very lucky kasi I get to save all my money. But you know what? I still send them money kahit hindi niya ginagamit. Like, nakatenga lang. There was a time that I really had to tell her, like, please, can you just like use the money that I'm sending you? Tapos parang sabi niya naman, okay. I'm scared kasi right now, I'm paycheck to paycheck. I'm gonna have to get back up on my feet kay yun nga, nawalan ako ng work ng 2 months because of a very complicated reason. When I started my job here, at least yun naman, na-build ko siya dahan-dahan ulit. But I was just so amazed that my mom, no questions, sent me money right away for $5,000. Ang laking tulong naman nito. I got the job now, home health and everything. Sabi ko, just give me time, I'll give this back to you, I promise. Sabi niya,
Mm.
no pressure.
Ah,
Amazing. Grabe talaga ang love ng isang mother. Like, kahit ikaw
yeah.
na dapat yung nagtataguyod sa self mo, hindi pa rin nag-end doon yung parang responsibilities niya sa akin. Kahit dapat nag-end na a long time ago, parang
Mm.
sa kanya, hindi, papadalhan kita, now na. Tapos, true enough, the next day, pinadalhan nga talaga ako. Parang, actually, hindi naman ako nag-ask talaga na super. Sabi ko lang, just in case I might need money, kunin mo na lang doon sa Philippine na account ko. Sabi ko, pwede ipadala mo. Hindi nabawasan yung own bank account ko. Doon niya binawas sa kanya. Grabe ka, generous talaga. So, yun ang what I admire the most about my mom is yung grabe niya ka-selfless. From her own retirement money. Just so she wouldn't worry about me. Kasi sabi niya, ikaw lang ba yung isa dira? Tapos murag, alo, kahilak.
Ah,
I'm so grateful for my mom talaga.
She's a strong woman. Like, she barely tells us about her problems. Siguro yung mga problems niya lang sa akong ate, ganyan, sa akong papa. Pero like, when it comes like her own problems, she doesn't really share it with us. Tapos, she's a strong mom, good. She knows how to handle our money. My dad was the only one working sa among family. Although, okay ang job sa akong papa, it's different kasi pag seaman ka, nasa barko ka, syempre you have the money. But when you're here nasa land, wala kang source of income talaga. So, nag-retire akong papa 2021, I think, 2022. Tapos,
mhm.
I was still in med school. Na-amaze ko kasi my parents were still able to pay for my tuition na full. It's full, ha? Na-amaze ko sa ila. And instead of like telling me to just stop going to med school, parang they still opted na sige, okay lang, go on. Kami na bahala sa money. Tapos,
Mm.
you na. You do your best na sa med school. I realized na how selfless their love is para sa amua. I know that they're going through things as well, but they don't want to share it before na bata pa tayo. Parang, we didn't see that side of them. But as we
Yeah,
grew older, we realized na they were
meron
going
palang
through
mga.
something din pala. Pura lang kung kita nag-struggle po ta on our own. I realized, my mom, my dad, yeah, they're very strong. So yun, I admire their strength yun. Like they're very, when it comes to our education, when it comes to our dreams, except lang sa akong pag-artista nga dream, tigit sila supportive.
Because
Dili gyud sila supportive, girl. You know what? When I was in high
same,
school,
same. Ako
support
mama mo
sila.
ako may gusto ko mag-artista. Sabi niya,
Oh,
eh.
diba?
Ah,
Support sila. Ma, gusto kong mag-workshop, mama, na ay dance workshop, na ay modeling workshop. High school ko, ane. Di gyud sila
ah.
supportive. But when it comes to my dream of becoming a doctor, sige. All out
Alam
guys sila.
nila na walang ROI yung pag-artista.
Artista.
Okay. Nung bata pa kami, di ba kami ng brother ko, ang
Yes.
mom ko nag-push na, mag-model kayo dun sa sabon. Nag-model ba siya sa kasabon, girl? Murag hala.
Ay, sana
Yung
all.
Kung sali-sali ko sa murag variety show good sa school, musikahan, like magbenta jud og ticket ba na ana. Tapos anak ko na, may nami photoshoot ha, pero Sunday siya. Hala, wala jud ko gipaadto. Apil ba na sa inyong school? Nag-audition ba ya mi tapos ano sa kadaghang estudyante, di ba, nadawat ko, ana-ana. Tapos
Mm.
naami photoshoot og kanang mag-video-video ba for promotion. Sunday siya. So grabe akong hila kato. Sabi ko, need ko pumunta ng school on Sunday. Sabi niya, dili ay, Domingo para na sa Ginoo.
Admire about my mom is, grabe gid siya mag-push. As in, bata pa kami. Kay Kyra ba na gina-discourage mag-try ng mga non-academic stuff. Ang mom ko, grabe, mag-enroll mag-swimming, mag-enroll Naabot sa point, di ba nung high school, shy girl magid ko, pati introvert masyado.
Yeah.
She enrolled me in song spell. Yung parang Broadway dancing, acting, singing ako. Hala,
Yes.
naunsa naman ni.
Sana all. Sana ganyan ang nanay ko.
Oh, in-enroll na kami ni Dana doon. Tapos, it turned out na I really loved it. Like, I love performing and dancing on stage. Ko na-realize na yun pala yung mga hindi na-achieve ni mom na dreams before nung bata siya. Sa amin niya ginabigay. Ito kasi I haven't tried this
Oh,
before
she
kasi
wanted to live it through you.
because our lolo was really strict, like to the point, diba, ang mom ko kasi before, she wanted to study mass comm. She wanted to be in the media scene, good ba? Kay extroverted ba si mami. So, ang lolo ko, sabi siya na, no, kay walay kwarta dira, di ba? Like, yung kay Jai, walang ROI. Walang klaro ba?
Kasi walang fans.
Wala yung fans.
Oh, so ng lolo ko, you can pursue that, but you have to finish pharmacy first. Si mami, follow siya. Naging license siya na pharmacist. But after nun, may license na ako, mag-DJ na ako ngayon. So ang mom ko, naging DJ siya. Siya nag-pioneer ng jazz na station sa Mindanao or Cebu. City Light Jazz na
Ay,
station.
as in.
Oh, 2 years ago on Mother's Day. Naghalungkat kami ng sister ko ng old photos ni Mommy. Grabe niya ka-cool kay naa siya sa yung DJ set with CD sa likod nakaana siya.
Amazing.
So, and she was also with
Girl
multiple
talaga.
artistas before. She saw potential in me and in my siblings na hindi namin nakikita. Hindi ko yan feel pero she pushed me and then I ended up liking it. Tapos, aside from that, yung ability ng mom ko na mag-forgive and forget, literally. It ended up na parang, forgive pa rin niya. Magsabi lang siya na, wag mo na tawaging tita yan. Wag mo na tawaging nina yan. Pero, wala akong pakialam. Basta, I just don't want any more gulo. Amazing kasi, she can still talk good about people who hurt her. I think yun ang
takes
ano.
courage.
Parang
Oo.
ganun.
It takes
Mahirap
courage
yan,
to,
mahirap
yeah.
Yeah. Yun ang gusto ko na ma-apply ko rin sa sarili ko. Kasi ako, mataas pasensya ko. Pero if ma-trigger ko
Taas din ang
nimo,
pride.
yeah, like, there's no turning back, girl. So, ang mom ko sabi niya, no, you have to, ano pa rin, like, acknowledge pa rin them as a person. Okay? At the end of the day, Christian man ta. If you think bad about someone else, you're thinking bad about our God. So, kato, ako na-admire sa kong mother.
Namoy mga picture sa inyo.
Love mothers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love playing the piano. Pero hindi ako magaling ha. Pero I just love playing it. Like, I had a photo with me and my mom na baby pag ko, nag-aanak ko sa piano, the same piano that we're using now. Ito yung sabi ko yung sa piano with my mom.
Ay, ka-cute!
Yeah, wa po yung kibuot. Little did I know
He
na
looks
ganahan
like
ko sa
you
piano.
good. You look like her.
Yeah.
She looks
Ay,
like you.
Mana ang nanay mo sa'yo?
Actually, Saka ito, nag-stop na siya radio nito. Kasi naging full-time mommy na
Si
siya.
Costco na yan.
Ako?
Ay,
Whose son is that?
Yan pangit kayo kong buhok.
si Costco na yan.
So-
The sacrifices they make.
As in,
One picture in my phone with me and my mom when I was a baby. Kasi nung mga photos ko before, lagi ako nakapikit. Lahat nakang ganun ako. Kasi sabi ng mom ko, ayaw ko daw yung flash ng camera. Lahat ng pictures ko nakapikit up to.
Beautiful eyes.
Like, wala dyan ko yung picture na naka-open akong eyes. Awa. No, if this is my favorite. I think this is the only picture I have in my phone right now.
Aww. Aww. You
Cute.
guys have pictures in your house. Wala mo ko yung picture, oy.
Hello, uy, love
love.
mag-share mo
Bakit?
mga Jai. Love bagitin mo yung mama.
Lang, bagit ko sa kumama. Ano?
Ito, meron ako isang picture with me and my mom. Ayan, oh.
Oh, ka-cute.
Ah, cutie.
Yan yung
Oh
ano,
my
Ano
God.
nag-stop
yun
na si
ay
mommy.
baby pictures?
Photocopy kayo ka whites.
Oh. Tsaka ito, oh, si mommy,
Baby
she used to dress me up sa
pictures.
una.
Oh,
Oh.
cutie.
I found a picture of my mom when she was younger.
Mm.
Na mahaba pang hair niya.
Uy,
Hala,
kamukha
oh.
mo.
Ano
Kasi,
mo set?
baka nanay ko siya.
Baka.
Baka lang.
Uy, wala. Give me pictures akong mama ba?
Hulo, uy.
Really?
Hindi na siguro katinood na anak.
Yun na ako.
Tapos, since may mga relatives na Islam or Muslim, wedding yata. Tapos, we had to attend. So, she had to dress me up.
Cutie.
Parang,
Wala ko
parang
nalipay
ready
kay
to,
Katul
ano.
kayo. Ganito ang mga dress talaga dati noon, no? Parang,
Yeah.
Mm.
that's me and
As
my
in.
sister. Baby doll ko na nahulog na sa kanal pero iniyakan, so niretrieve.
Aww.
So my sister before, she had to do an eye surgery pala. This is when she started the nursery. Tapos ako, stay at home
Nursery.
pa.
Oh.
Nagit ko yung picture
Ako
ni
kay
mama
Apil
ba?
Jai.
Ako yung picture gid sa iya ha. Ay dara. Ay mo nitong only time na iya kong gisuportaan sa akong artista dream.
Wow!
Na ay modeling contest sa damo sa high school ko ani. So,
Wow!
kani iya kong gisuportaan nag-makeup gid ko ani,
Amazing.
pa-makeup.
May
Yes.
kapan ka.
Yes, nagpa-makeup gid ko ani. Those were the moments.
Vocal ba kayo sa sa parents niyo about like, I love you, I miss
Yeah.
you.
No.
Yeah.
Separate.
Kasi,
I'm
ako,
different.
I would say, before, growing up, hindi. Mag-kiss lang kami during yung peace sa
Mm.
simbahan. Pero
Really?
now, I always make sure I tell my mom that I love her and I miss her.
Ah,
That I want
kasi
her to
it
take care of herself.
distance makes
Mm.
the
Heart.
distance makes the heart
Basta
grow
distance and the
fonder.
heart.
Yes.
Distance and the heart.
This is me and my mom. Nako, baby picture pero na akong dad. Third wheel siya.
Aww, that's so
Cutie.
cute.
Yeah.
Sabi, yun din ang ano, na-appreciate ko sa mom ko kasi sila, vocal din sila sa kanilang parents before, maliit pa sila. So, gipasa nila sa amin. Kasi ang papa ko, hindi mo good sila masyado nag-express ng emotion. She made it a point na, let's practice saying I love you every day. Like we actually mean it. Sige kami away noon, di ba? Pero it always ends up na siya ang palagi nag-sorry first. So ako parang,
Oo.
mahilaw man ko ani, ako may kasalanan. Tapos as in, there were multiple times na sige kami away na, di ba sabi ko na miss ko? Kasi I miss the feeling after. Sabi ko, hug niya ko, sorry te. Sabi ko, ha? What? Asan to galing? Kaya siya
Sana
mag-iyak
all, akong
siya.
mama she could go
Mm.
days without talking to us. Mag-talk na lang siya pag na siya, may utos na siya. Ay,
Jay,
balik na ako
unsaon
sa,
ganin ko
sa anak
Jay?
status.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't think I ever had super big fight with my mom to the point na merong mga relationships ng mother and child mahirap i-repair ba? Nag-aaway naman kayo ng family member after some time kayo. Parang walang nangyari. Like, okay na tayo.
what's the most important lesson your mom taught you? The most important
my God, sir.
lesson na tinuro niya sa akin is to establish myself first. Like, growing up, lagi yun nilang ginasabi, lagi yun nilang, kakunyo ba? Lagi talaga nilang sinasabi sa amin is, you can do whatever you want, you can go wherever you want, you can marry whoever you want, but establish yourself first. Financially, spiritually, and emotionally. Somehow they're telling us, learn how to be independent first, and then you'll be free. Dili namin maglabot-labot sa inyo pa. Now na my ate and I are already working, makapanibago ba siya, no? Na feeling. I'm deciding on my own. Even now, sometimes I still ask for my parents' advice. Kung asa ko paingon sa kung buhaton, how do I do this, ganyan. Because even though I know that I want this thing, but do I really want it out of desire or do I really want it because this is for me? So now that they're giving us the freedom, pa rin ako ba na, no, I still need your help, guys. Ayun.
I think the biggest lesson I learned from my mom is that love isn't always loud.
Yeah.
It's in the quiet sacrifices. You wake up, breakfast is cooked, tas may baon ka. She
Oo,
cooked
ganon.
without asking if we were hungry. Another thing is her faith, like the prayers she whispered when we weren't looking. Like, I would always see my mom in the middle of the night, like mga 3 a.m., 4 a.m., gising na siya kasi nag-pray siya for everybody. Every day she does that. Grabe naman tong taong to. And like she also taught me that being strong doesn't mean being unshakable. What she showed us before, like when we were growing up, she raised us on her own. Never namin siya nakita na kanang takot siya ba? Always siya ginapakita na strong lang siya. There were times when I would see kapoy na akong mama. Bisag dili niya gusto ipakita, like we still saw it. There's nothing wrong naman with admitting na like I'm tired. At times she would tell us, I'm tired, I need some rest. I still saw her as a strong woman, being able to admit that. The fact that she shows up all the time, every single day, just to keep us going. Napakaon na tanan, nahatod na tanan, na ready na tanan. Murag, how did you do that? Superwoman jud kayo. Being able to do that on her own. So yeah, that's the biggest lesson that I learned from my mama. My
Mama?
my mama.
Na-learn ko talaga sa mom ko is, you just have to fuck it mindset. I'm just gonna do it anyway. Kasi ang mom ko, I've seen her be confident sa kanya ginagawa all the time. After ma-close na niya yung deal, ang sabihin niya after, ay salamat, hindi ba ako sure na tanggapin yun. Yan ba? Pero tinanggap kasi magaling siya mag-negotiate yun. What I love about her is, she taught me how to be genuine sa aking pagkatao. Kasi ang sabi niya, not all the time we need to find loopholes. The simplest way is actually the best way to go. She always reminded me about my faith good kay God. Kasi growing up, na Catholic pero she found herself growing in faith more sa Christian na setup. Change is really possible. Kasi si Mami, init ulo sa una. So karon nag-tone down na. At doon ko din nakita na bitano it's actually helpful na maging strong ang ating faith kaya para magbago tayo as a person. Talaga, resilience.
Yeah.
Nasabi ko na a while ago, as na ako kay mom is, always be, passionate about what you're doing kasi you're only going to do it once. Diba? Like, wala ka ng ibang chance. Kasi ang sabi niya, don't be like me na marami ako napagsisihan na hindi ko nagawa. I want you to live life na proud ka. So, yun.
Oh,
I don't wanna
proud.
cry. Ano ba? Ang mom ko na-amaze ako kasi grabe yung pagiging out there ba?
Confidence.
Marami siyang nakukuha ang connection. There was a time na kausap niya yung sister ni Martin Rivera kasi siya ang nag-manage ng artista na punta ng Davao. Nung college pa tayo, nung malakas pa yung magazine namin, sige kasi event si mami noon. So tingala ko, nakamit ko mga artista, mga foreigner. Imbes na mag-hire siya crew, ako tsaka pinsan ko yung ginaano yung staff. Na-meet namin sila
Yeah.
Aljor, yung
Aljon, si Sir Aljon.
Na-meet ko din si Sir Aljon.
Meet ko din
Oo.
yan.
ano lang, I want to be like her in that sense na just be out there. Kasi if I always keep myself in my own bubble, wala ko yung growth na may tabo.
I'm so proud
Sige.
of our moms. My hope is that I'll be like her. Except sa mga generational trauma. Dapat makat na yun.
Yeah.
That's true.
Hindi na ako magiging strict. Okay, all right, daughter, go ahead. Waste your life. I'm
Mhm.
just kidding.
The other side of our moms, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung strength nila, yung grit
Mm.
nila to end this podcast. So what's
Mhm.
one thing you want to thank your mom for today?
Oh my gosh, everything where I am right now is because of her. I remember, 'di ba, after graduation ng college, tapos tuloy-tuloy na yung like board exam, NPTE. The last thing I had to ask her is to pay for my DPT. So parang I was amazed that she was still like, yeah, I'll do it. She was very supportive. Even though it was hard for her, let me come here by myself. Actually, I remember her telling me before, you don't have to go abroad. Kaya naman natin dito. Tapos parang, I know, but gusto ko naman i-pursue yung dreams ko. Aside from financial matters, yung parang
Yeah.
just to see the world,
The
di ba? Yun yung
Yes.
biggest sa akin.
Yes.
Hindi naman money
It's not
matters.
just the
Pero,
money, but the
yeah,
experience talaga.
it's not
Oo.
just money, but of course, that's Kung ano
That's a
Part of the
reason.
deal.
That's a reason.
90% it's because
Huwag
of
makipagplastikan.
Di ba, di ba, gusto mo din naman mag-explore and everything. And she was very supportive of that. So that's what I wanna thank her for. And just like pushing me out of her vagina.
Yeah, that's so
That was
true.
the biggest thing.
the bravest thing. I just want to thank my mom for the training that she gave me before. Even though before it looked like super unnecessary strictness na gina-impose niya. But now, as an adult, makita ko na it's really integral sa aking principles ngayon. Na kasi 'di ba noon, hindi kasi kami spoiled na mga kids before. Meron silang new phone. Ako, ang phone ko kay luma pa kaayo. So, magsabi, ang shoes ko, sira na. Sige, kaya pa yan. So, ako kay, hala, kita na kong tiil. So,
Hanggang
ano,
biglang na ang toes ba nag-hi na? Hello?
whenever mag-asa ko, ma, parang okay lang, pabili ako ng bagong shoes kay malapit na masira. Pabili ako ng bagong socks, t-shirt, kay balik na. Sabi niya, mag-ipon ka. Ako, hala, asa ko magbuhay mo ko'y trabaho. Na-appreciate ko ngayon as an adult, looking back, is, if she spoiled me before, hindi siguro ako gaito ka madiskarte ngayon. Wala na ba akong job ngayon, diba? So, basically, I'm unemployed. But I am self-sufficient na ngayon. Because of seeing her find ways to earn money. If kaya ni mami, mas kaya na ako, girl, kaya mas bata ako, di ba? And technology is our friend ngayon. So sila ngayon, nangangapa pa sa internet and everything. Pero di ba, edge sa atin. So, yun ang gusto kong i-thank for kay mom. Hindi niya kami pinabayaan in that sense sa aming morals. And din ang gusto kong i-impose sa aking mga children in the future. Hindi ko sila spoil good. If you wanna buy new shoes, girl, maning kamo kag baligya. Ayun lang yung kaluluwa og
Palitan og
lawas.
sanina ba? Dili ta mo palitan og pagkaon, dili ta mo palitan og sanina. Go hunt.
Ang last ko kay mom is, I want to thank her for always, reminding me every day na, habulin mo dreams mo. You have to reach it at some point. Na huwag kang magsisig yun. So, yeah, ngayon, even though we have conflicts sa aking current businesses ngayon, kasi 'di ba startup pa ako, nangangapa pa rin ako sa negosyo. So, ang sa akin lang is, yun ang gusto kong hindi gayahin sa ma. Kaya wala kang pasensya.
I just want to thank her for being my mom. Yun lang.
Wow,
For
so
the unconditional love and for being so selfless all throughout her life. Nasaan ako ngayon sa PDA. So makita ko talaga ang mga mom childbearing. Anak ba? Isang foot ng mom is nasa
Sa
ano
death.
na, sa hukay na ganyan kapag nagapanganak ganyan.
Yes.
So it takes courage to be a mother in this world. And I want to thank my mom for having that courage and for being so selfless. All throughout her life, ang kanyang naging life kay kami ng mga kapatid ko. So, gi-give up niya yung career niya, gi-give up niya yung dreams niya para lang maging isang full-time mom. And being a mother is the hardest job in the world. So,
As in.
yun. So, thank you, Mom.
And also to our sisters, Kyra.
Yes.
They're also
Alam ko, girl.
mothers.
Yes, to our
May heart yun.
sisters.
Ay, ganun. Ayoko na to. Bakit tapon nito?
Lagi sa akin.
Update nyo kasi ang Zoom nyo. Ano ba? And to our sisters as well na first-time
yeah, my
mothers.
sister is a mom
Yay.
now.
Yes,
How about
and-
us? When are we gonna be
And not
mothers?
just to to moms na nag-adopt ng kids, ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh yes, for
To-
sure. Like my
to
mom
our-
is one of them. She
Yes.
didn't know na ano pala magkakaanak ko. She had a hard time pala bearing child before, and that's why she decided to adopt. And
Adopt.
it's such a miracle.
And then you're there.
Miracle
and then you're
child. And look at
there.
me. I'm so perfect.
Gaga.
Feeling. Ano pa ba? Let's include everybody. Mag-search tayo kay Basig Ingatan. Oh, you're not
Cancel ta.
Hindi naman kayo inclusive
Cancel
eh.
culture.
Mga single dads dyan.
Everyone who
Yeah.
acts like moms to different people and different situations.
Yes,
Mother's
so-
Day.
Grabe.
Acknowledge naman all the single moms, adoptive and
Yes.
foster moms,
Yeah.
grandmothers, and those grieving or longing moms.
So yeah, to the moms who lost their children, happy Mother's Day to everybody.
Yeah.
Happy
Salute
Mother's
to everybody.
Day.
Ang galing. Ang galing nyo. Ang galing
Kasi
nyo.
we are who we are because of the prayers of our mothers.
Oh, that's true.
So yeah,
My
Happy
mom's
Mother's Day.
prayers saved me a lot of times.
Yeah.
Shout out to my mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy
Babayaran.
Happy
Mother's
Mother's
Day,
Day, Mama.
Emerita and
Happy Mother's Day,
Jewel.
Estrella.
Happy
Estrella
Mother's
Oreto.
Day, Rosana. Char.
Susana.
Mother's
Happy
Day.
Mommy.
Grabe yung mga pangalan, no? Estrella, Susana, Emerita.
Emerita.
We love you
Nauna.
all. Like, we're so thankful for you. And to my mom, I miss you so much. I hope I can visit you soon.
Yes.
Mm.
To my mom, I hope I can visit you soon too.
In the
Kwarto mo
other room.
mamaya.
To my mom, hopefully hindi na tayo mag-bump heads often dito sa house kasi
Bump heads.
we're getting old, Mama.
Tapos
Yes.
to my mom also, make sure to drink enough water and stop eating pork. Exercise. Diyos
Maintenance.
ko naman.
Maintenance meds nyo, please.
Maintenance nyo, please.
No, buhay ako, Mama, no?
Maintain.
Kahit na chubby siya, wala siya yung maintenance. Say, thank you, Lord. Okay, tanan
Yes.
niyang
Yes.
Papa lang ay blood.
Good for her. Ay, grabe to ako, Papa.
Thank you so much again for sharing your experiences with, with each other about our moms. And we are who we are because of the prayers of our mothers. So, guys, before we end, if you want us to talk about something or a few topics, you can just send us an email. Oh, diba?
Oh,
Or comment down below if
Yeah,
you're
or
watching
send a
on
comment.
YouTube.
Yes.
Yes.
Or on Spotify, just drop comments there.
Or
Pag yun ang
text me
pag-uusapan
at-
namin.
Wow.
tapos,
Sige, yung
tapos
number.
tayo lang mag-comment po.
Our email is sipandsync@gmail.com. So you can just drop emails there if you want us to talk about something. So, guys, that's a wrap of our Mother's Day special episode. So,
Love you, Mom!
love you, Mom. And we
Love you,
hope you're gonna
Emerita.
hear this. And we hope na namoy matunan sa amo apod. Huh?
Yes.
Puro binuang.
Yeah. So, yes. So, cheers, guys, and see you on the next
Since wala
episode.
na akong drink, I'm gonna use this.
Ayun.
Cheers!
Cheers!